I'm going to make a milk bite. That will be original milk bite with the white sugar. I'm going to cut it this milk with Heinz vinegar right here, and this is a sugar I'm going to add it just in this milk, because once I will make it, I'm going to put it in there, the milk bite. First I'm going to make paneer. This is the sugar I'm going to add it here. There's the milk I use, so I'm going to add this sugar. And this one is a vinegar here. I took out from this big bottle, and I'm going to use in this milk, not this milk. This milk is sweet, and once paneer will be ready from this milk, then I'm going to make a small ball, and then I'm going to leave it here a slow flame, and that will be ready. That is sweet, a sweet dish, and very tasty actually, similar to rasmalai, but rasmalai is a little bit different to make. Main method is same actually. So now I'm going to turn off this video, and I will make short video later.